Hi children, welcome to VAN school. I am Maithili here. Now we are going to see the subtraction of decimals. Okay. Take your textbook, take page number 198. In that we are going to see about subtraction of decimals. See, like addition also, here we should convert unlike decimals into like decimals, and then we should arrange it in column like one below the other, and we should subtract in the like a normal ordinary numbers. Okay. Look here, see, first sum we will take, subtract 5.8 from 12.612. So, this what are all the decimals given here? 5.8 and 12.612. So, we should convert it into like decimal. Here 3 digits are there, okay, after decimal point. Here only 1 digit. So, add 2 zeros. Okay. 5.8 is written as 5.800. Okay. After that, what we should do? Subtract this from this. So, from this means we should write this first. So, this decimal first. Okay, 12.612 minus 5.800, and now subtract. 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 0, 1, 6, minus 8 we can't do. So, borrow 1 from here. So, it will become 16. So, 16 minus 8, 8, and it will become 1. Okay, this will become 16 and this will become 1. So, 1 we can subtract 5. So, 11 minus 5, 6. So, this is the answer. 6.812 is the answer. Okay, children. So, if it is given like this, subtract 5.8 from 12.612 means we should write this number from this we are subtracting this. So, with the write this number first here, and then you write the next number here. Okay, in this way you should do. Okay, see here the second sum, if it is given like this, straightly you write this number first and this number second. Okay, okay children. So, subtract 113.72 minus 98.265 means first you write this number and then you write this number. Okay, after converting unlike to like and do the sum. Okay children, subtraction, addition and all you know, no? Okay, come, we will go to the assignment. Take the next page and we will see the assignment 2. Assignment 2. Okay. Okay, children, see, one has done for you. Come, we will do the second sum. See here, what's the sum here? Read it, 8.03 from 10.20. Subtract. Subtract 8.03 from 10.20. So, both are what? Like decimals, because 2 digits are there after decimal point, 2 digits are there after decimal point. And we should write what? From this means first we should write this number first, 10.20 minus you write this number 8.03. Okay, like this, in this way you should write. Now, you subtract 0 minus 3, can we do? No, no. So, you borrow 1 from here, it will become 10 and it will become 1. 10 minus 3, 7, and 1 minus 0, 1. Okay, decimal point you put here. 10 minus 8, how much? 2. So, this is the answer. 2.17 is the answer. Okay, children. See, in this way you should subtract. Okay. Come, we will do one more sum, the sixth sum. Look here, sixth sum. Subtract 58.02 from 65.2. Okay. So, this is the unlike decimal. So, we should write 65.2 like 65.20. Okay. And write it 65.20 minus 58.02. Understood? First write this number, this we make it to like decimal, okay, and this number you write. Now, subtract 0 minus 2 we can't do, no. So, make it 10 and make it 1. 10 minus 2 again 8, 1 minus 0 1, put decimal point, and this is 5, we can't subtract 8 from 5. So, borrow 1 and it will become 5 and this will become 15. 15 minus 8 how much? How much? 7, and 5 minus 5 0. So, what is the answer? 7.18 is the answer after subtracting. Okay, children. In this way you should do the sum. Now, take page number 200. The next page is now we are going to see about multiplication of decimal numbers. So, we know how to add and how to subtract decimal numbers. Come we will see about multiplication of decimal numbers. See multiplication involving decimal numbers. To perform the multiplication, treating them as ordinary numbers, ignoring the decimal point. Okay. Perform the multiplication, treating them as ordinary numbers. So, we know the multiplication of ordinary numbers, no. So, perform the multiplication, okay, ignoring the decimal point. Count the total number of decimal places in the multiplicand and the multiplier. Okay, what we should do? We should count the total number of decimal places in the multiplicand and multiplier. Put the decimal point in the product before as many digits from the right as the total number of decimal places in the multiplicand and the multiplier together. See, such a big thing. Come, we will see what is the meaning of this much. Okay, children, come. See, what we should do first. See, take the first example. Multiply 5.7 into 1.2. Okay, this point is the end point. No, okay, full stop. So, don't worry about this point. Leave it. Okay, don't consider. This is a full stop. Okay. So, multiply 5.7 into 1.2. So, 5.7 into 1.2, ignore the decimal point now. We know multiplication, no? Yeah. 5.7 into 1.2. Okay. See here, now we will do the multiplication. First, you take the number in ones place and multiply the number. After that, we should what? Take the number in what? Tens place and we should multiply the number. Multiplication we know, no? Come, we will do. 2 sevens are 14. Okay, 4 you write and 1 as carry. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So, 1 1 4. And next we should what? Multiply by 10. Okay, that means put 0 and multiply by 1. 1 sevens are 7, 1 5s are 5. Now add it. 4 plus 0, 4. 1 plus 7, 8. 1 plus 5, 6. Now, so this is multiplication is over. How to put the decimal point? What we should do? We should count the number of decimal places. Here in multiplicand it is 1 and in multiply this is the multiplicand, then this is the multiplier that we know. Okay. So, here one number, one digit and here 2 digits. 1 1. Okay. So, here 1 digit, here 1 digit. So, total 2 digits are there after decimal point. So, what we should do? The product what we are getting, no, here from right you take 1 2. So, after 2 digits you put the dot. Okay, children. So, in this way, that is the meaning of this. Put the decimal point in the product. This is the product. What we are getting the answer, no, after multiplying that is the product. Before as many digits from the right. So you should start from the right. As the total number of decimal places. Here total number of decimal places in the multiplicand. This is the multiplicand and this is the multiplier. You should take both the number and count how many digits are there after the decimal point. Here 1, here 1. So, total 2 decimal numbers. So, you should put after 2 numbers from the right you should put the dot. Okay, children. Come, we will do the sum, then you can understand. Go to assignment 3. Okay, next page you take. Say, come, assignment 3. Okay, we will do the second sum. This is done for you. Okay, come, we will do the second sum. See here, 43 into 0.02. Okay, 43 into 0.02. Come, we will do this. So, here this decimal point do not consider it. Okay. First we will multiply this number by this number. So, take 2 number in ones place and multiply this number. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. And now take the number in 0 place, sorry, tens place. Okay. Take the number in tens place, that is 0. Okay. So, first you should put tens place, now put 1 0 and after that multiply this number by 0. 0 3s are 0, 0 4s are 0. Now, take the number in what place? Hundreds place. So, put 2 zeros and now take this number and multiply. 0 3s are 0, 0 4s are 0. Okay, now add all the three numbers. Okay, 6 plus 0 0, 6 plus 6 plus 0 6, 6 plus 0 6. See here 8 0 0. So what we should do now, we will come to the decimal point. Okay, here see in the multiplicand there is no decimal point. In the multiplier after two numbers the decimal point is there. So we should put the decimal point after 2 digits. Okay, after 2 digits. So here 1 digit, 2 digits. So put the decimal point here. So this 0.86 is the answer. So what is the product? 0.86. Okay children, understood? Come, we will do one more sum so that you can understand easily. Okay, come let us do this sum. Okay, 7th sum. See, first read the number 120.1 into 0.75. We should multiply. Okay, multiply. Okay, come we will multiply. Okay, don't worry about this decimal point, leave it. Consider the one number in one's place, 5, and take it and multiply this number. 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10, and 1 as carry. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 1 6. Now take the number in tens place, so put 1 0, 7 ones are 7, 7 zeros are 0, 7 twos are 14. 1 as carry again, and 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 1 8. Okay. Now 0 here, no, so put 2 zeros, it is in hundreds place, put is 2 0, and 0 ones are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 twos are 0, 0 ones are 0. Now add all these three numbers. Okay, 5 plus 0 5, okay, 5 plus 0 5. So 5, here 7, here 0, 6 plus 4 10. So 0 and 1 as the carry. Okay, and 1 8 plus 1 9. Okay, 0. So now come to decimal point. Here how many digits are there? 1 2 in this number. Here how many digits are there? 1. After decimal point, here 1 2 plus 3, here 2, here 1, so 3. So after 3 numbers from the right, 1 2 3, we should put the decimal point. So 090, okay, 0.075 is the answer. Okay children, 090.075 is the answer, product, that is the product. So what is the answer? 090.075. Okay children, we can tell it as 90.075. Okay, that means 90.075. Okay, the 0 comes before the number, it has no value. Okay, we tell is the answer as 90.075. Okay children, you do it in your classwork so that you can get the space. Okay, don't do it in your textbook. Okay children, do it in your classwork one by one, write the sum and write neatly, you will get the space. Okay children, so in this way you do this also. Okay, understood?